Roman numerals, math. Where's the sky? Can we get to the sky? You go above the rainbow, and there's no more gravitational pull, so you float. You float around the rainbow down here, you float around the rainbow down there, so you're in the sky. Can we actually get out to where the soul comes from? I don't know. But what I do know is the elements that I can work with on Earth. That is shared with everybody for calculations in science, because you can't hide the science. They need the students to work. They need the fleshy robotic students to find the intricacies, to be able to recreate or take control of a planet, to be able to understand the planet, to be able to rid of all diseases. So we need math. Math needs words for explanations. It also needs situations that many don't understand. I have to look a little bit deeper of why do they say, what does the physics mean of MC squared? Is squared mean 2 or 4? Is it 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27, times 3 is 81? 3 times 3 is 9, by 3 27, by 3 is 81. Takes 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 81 is the numeric value for Venus. M is the 13th letter in the alphabet. C squared is 9. 9 and 13 is 22. 4. 1 and 3 is 4. C squared. M, Roman numeral 1000. C, Roman numeral 100. 100 times 100 is 10,000. So now we have 11,000. The reverse of V22 is 5 energy. 13, 1 times 3, 1 plus 3 will equal 71. How do we get 5? 1 times 2, 1 plus 2. 1221. Area 51, Mars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then Mars. We don't use 6, but the reverse of 1 is 6. And that's us, the half light. 1 times 7, 1 plus 7 equals 56, 11. 1 and 1 is 2. And 15 is 6. God, dog, queen. 7 and 8 is 15. 1 and 5 is 6. What is yo? Go down to the casino, you hear yo 11. Here comes the student. In roulette, they have a special section that says the orphan child, in which states 5775, which is the moon, the reverse of Mars. MARS is 108. The reverse is the moon. What is the reverse of Mars? Where a child is born through the moon. Monkey seems to stand for a picture card or a 10 card. We pulled a monkey out of our hat. No, we pulled a rabbit out of our hat. The key is the moan. It's my key. Mo, looking like the word, the cycle of the DNA in the sun. Separation, 1 and 1, 11 is the separation of 66. We now have a bypass to 66. I know, because not to forget, you put it out there. Road 66 or Route 66 is now Route 80. Number 80 is only said 4 times 20. The French. Using Greek, maybe a little bit of Hebrew, and all the languages of the world, just to dissect, to better understand. Yiddish has taught me that, where they use 2 languages brought together to create a secondary language. 1 times 6, 1 plus 6 is 76. How do we get a monkey? There's only 2 ways to get a monkey with a dice cube. It's either 64 or 55. The void of 64 is 35, electric company. 1 and 2, gravity. And let me look this up. Gravity, I think I wrote this page upside down. Gravity and the electrons. Whoop, that's not the page I wanted to get to. That's the page I wanted to get to. Yo, 11 is the student. Y, the 25th letter in the alphabet. Electrons, reverse 2. Number 7. And the 15th letter, 25 and 15. The student, 15 and 21. Earth and Mars. The monkeys and the soul, they changed the motherboard in our bodies. We became more human-like, more fleshy. The 4-4 void is to the 3-3 mass. in the word Christ and Mass. So we now have the 10-world monkey created from the voids, 55 voids 44. 1 times 6, 1 plus 6 will create your PHI, your phi. 9 lives of the cat in the heaven, communication, beta creation, C and E. C and E after the death of Christ. 6 and 8, C and E in the house to the spirit of 76, because the payout in this is bet 6, I'll give you 7. So you can't hide the truth when you need the truth. When you need the truth in the science, in the laboratories, in creation, for the blueprints of creation of nature is the truth. And it is shared so our students can learn and they can build the structure. So then they can shut it down and control us. High salaries to those who know, and low salaries to those who can't actually help us but service us. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Calculator, roulette, dice cube, how a sharpener works, how we can erase things, how we can cut things up, different color mixes of pencils, another dice cube. We have 2 dice cubes. We have a game. We have games where we roll 1 dice, 2 dice, and 3 dice. In all games, there's different odds. There's different numeric situations. Bowling, baseball, hockey, soccer, time limits. Everything has a story, and every story has to be true. And there's a relationship in every story in creation and the blueprints of creation. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. I like to do the nitty-gritty. Let's all get on board, because when the power of the truth comes together, maybe the light of the Creator will come down and save us. But guess what? When we're together, we save each other. Thank you for watching this video.